Welcome to Amarpreet Kaur's Social Studies classes.
Hello class 5th. How are you all? Today we are going to study chapter 2 parallels and meridians. Now when we have studied globes and maps, let's know more about globes. A globe is a small model of the earth. When we look at the globe, we see several countries and places marked on it. To find any place on the globe or a map, we use a system of imaginary lines which run from east to west and north to south on them. These imaginary lines are known as the latitudes and longitudes. The point on the north where the longitudes join is called North Pole, and the point on the south where they join is called the South Pole. Parallels of latitudes. Look at the globe. Can you see the lines that run in the east-west direction? The full circles that run from east to west are called parallels or lines of latitudes. An imaginary line drawn midway between the North Pole and the South Pole divides the earth into two equal parts. This line is the longest line of latitude and is known as the equator. The part of the earth from the equator to the North Pole is called the northern hemisphere, and the other half from the equator to the South Pole is called the southern hemisphere. Now let's know facts about the parallels. There are 181 parallels or lines of latitudes. The equator is the most important of all and is called the Great Circle. All parallels are full circles except the North Pole and the South Pole, which look like points. The length of the parallels keep decreasing as we move away from the equator and go towards the poles. All the parallels are at an equal distance from each other, like parallel lines. These parallels or lines of latitudes also do not meet ईच अदर. ये जो इक्वेटर से ऊपर की तरफ आप देख रहे हैं लाइंस जा रही हैं, ये छोटी होती जाती है और नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल नीचे की तरफ जो लाइंस हैं वो साउथ डायरेक्शन में नीचे है साउथ पोल जो कि पॉइंट्स की तरह दिखते हैं ये, और सारी लाइंस छोटी होती जाती हैं और वो इक्वल डिस्टेंस पे होती हैं एंड दे नेवर मीट ईच अदर. वो कभी भी एक दूसरे से मिलती नहीं है, एक दूसरे को कट नहीं करती है. Number of latitudes. Lines of latitudes are labeled in the degrees, written as 0 degree. The equator is at 0 degree and the other parallels are marked from 0 to 90 degrees. The parallels are also marked as N or S according to their location apart from their value. The North Pole is written as 90 degree N. The South Pole is written as 90 degree S. There are 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere and 90 parallels in the southern hemisphere. The parallels are drawn at interval of 1 degree. Important parallels. You already know about the equator 0 degree, North Pole 90 degree N and South Pole 90 degree S. There are 4 other important parallels. They are Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree N, Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree South S, Arctic Circle 66.5 degree N, Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree S. Now let's study about meridians of longitude. Do you see another set of lines which run from north to south on the globe? Yes, these lines are known as meridians or lines of longitudes. Meridians are imaginary lines that run from north to south. Facts about meridians or lines of longitude. All meridians of the same length Meridians help to measure distances in the east-west direction. Meridians cut the parallels at the right angles 90 degree. The longitudes do not run parallel to each other but meet at the two ends. ये lines parallel तो नहीं होती एक दूसरे से क्योंकि वो एक दूसरे को कट करती हैं दो पॉइंट्स पे जो हम अभी देख रहे हैं नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल पे ये सब मीट करती हैं. द मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस बिटवीन एनी टू मेरिडियन इज एट द इक्वेटर. और ये एक दूसरे से बहुत ज़्यादा दूर कौन से लाइन पे होती है? इक्वेटर पे. द मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द एनी टू मेरिडियन एट द इक्वेटर. As one moves away from the equator and goes towards the poles, the distance between any two meridians decreases. जब वो ऊपर या नीचे की साइड आप देख रहे हैं तो इनका डिस्टेंस आपस में कम होता जाता है. जो हमारी लॉन्ग लैटिट्यूड्स हैं उनका डिस्टेंस तो सेम रहता है आपस में, वो पैरेलल है. इनका डिस्टेंस कम होता जाता है. Number of meridians. The prime meridian passes through Greenwich. It is also known as the Greenwich meridian. It is starting point from the numbering of meridians. It is marked as 0 degree. The longitudes of a place is measured east or west of the prime meridian. It divides the earth into two halves, eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Let us understand about hemisphere more clearly. Just have a look to these diagrams. The horizontal line in the center is equator and the upper part of the earth is north, so it will be called northern hemisphere. The bottom part is south, so it will be called southern hemisphere. In these diagrams, the vertical line, which is again dividing the earth into two parts, which are west and east, left part will be called western hemisphere and the right part will be called eastern hemisphere. A full circle is made up of 360 degrees. Meridians are drawn at an interval of 1 degree. There are 180 meridians towards the east of prime meridian and 180 meridians towards the west of prime meridian. This makes a total of 360 meridians. The meridians in the east are marked as E and those towards the west are marked as W. The meridians of 180 degree E and 180 degree W from the same line known as the international date line. How to locate places? The parallels or lines of latitudes and meridians or lines of longitude from a network on the globe, it is called a grid. The point at which a latitude and the longitude meet help us to locate a place. जो ये नेटवर्क फॉर्म होता है लाइंस का, लैटिट्यूड्स का और लॉन्गिट्यूड्स का, उसे ग्रिड बोलते हैं. और इन्हीं लाइंस के थ्रू हम अपनी प्लेस की लोकेशन फाइंड आउट करते हैं. नाउ लेट अस लर्न न्यू वर्ड्स. पोल्स एंड पॉइंट्स एट द टॉप और द बॉटम ऑफ द अर्थ's axis. Parallels, lines of latitudes, meridians, lines of longitudes. Thank you.